I'm Brenda and welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And welcome to those that are new to this channel, and welcome back to those that are already subscribed to this channel. And for this occasion we'll be making or decorating our bullet journal for a month. And although the video is somewhat old, I think that you can still use the decorations and the drawings that we made. So to decorate your notes or your school supplies or whatever projects you have in mind, depending on how you like to decorate and draw. And so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos. And now let's go on to the video.
Alrighty guys, so I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but we're back with this new video, which is a bullet journal for the month of June, which I hope you like. And this video I recorded it back in May when we were still in quarantine, and well, I was just able to upload it today. And as you guys can see, this bullet journal was for the month of June, and I wanted to make something like tropical or like a summer vibe thing. So I decided to do some limes and lemons, and I colored them in pink and yellow to make them a little different instead of just green and yellow. And although we're not in June anymore, I feel like you can use these decorations or these drawings for other projects. So to decorate your school supplies or to decorate your class notes. Or you could use it for other bullet journals and just change the month. So instead of using it for June, you can use it for August or September, which are still kind of summer months. If not, you can also take ideas of the lettering or the type of letters that we're drawing or writing in this video. So for example, you can use this lemonade font or lettering and write your name with it. Or you can also use the June type of lettering, which is the false lettering, to write a title or something that you can come up with. And I just noticed that you can use these two pages, so the one with the huge phrase and the one with June, for some front cover notebook decorations. Plus you can also use some of the ideas to combine your colors. So for example, in this occasion we're using light pink, dark pink, yellow, orange, and 3 different greens. So the dark green for the shadow, the light green for the light, and the lime or the color in between to color the entire leaf. And I honestly really like the color combination that we used for this video. And for example, right here, I like that we used the light green to add a shadow to the letters, which makes them look kind of like 3D. And another idea is that you can combine capital letters with lowercase letters. For example, right here in the word June, we have a bunch of capital letters, and the only one that is lowercase is the letter E. And actually in this channel we already have some videos where we combined capital letters with lowercase letters to write or make some titles. So I'll leave the link in the description box as well as on the right hand corner of the video in case you want to go watch those videos. And I don't know if you guys been through this, but sometimes when I'm doing my bullet journals, I end up with an empty page and I have no idea what to draw or what to write on it. So a simple solution for this problem is basically draw something that is easy to draw but still cute to look at, and that it'll decorate your bullet journal itself. So in this occasion, to continue with the theme of limes and lemons or the pink lemonade, I decided to draw a pink lemonade, and basically I just added a cute kawaii face to it to make it look more cute and more attractive to look at. And on the top of the page I decided to add another title or some cute phrase to continue filling out the page. And moving on, the next page is all about an activity tracker, and for this I drew a tree branch or a tree. And since the whole theme for this monthly spread is a limes and lemons or pink lemonade, I decided to draw a branch, and then on every single leaf I'll just write in every number. So for example, in the month of June there's 30 days, so I'll have 30 leaves, and then every single leaf will be labeled with a number, so 1 through 30. And for example, if on the 2nd of June I watched a movie, I'll just color that in dark green or light green, and then so every single night that I watch a movie I'll color the leaf in a dark green or lime green depending on how I want to color coordinate my activities. Another idea for an empty page is to make a chores list. So there's 3 ways of doing this list. So basically just list them out, or the second would be list them out and then add a cute drawing, and once you're done with the chore, just color in the drawing. This way it'll be fun since you'll be looking forward to coloring in the drawing itself. Or you can color them in just like we're doing it right now, and underneath just add a small box. And once you're done with a chore, just cross out the box or check the box to make sure that you're all done with that chore. And basically that's how you'll be able to organize the chores that you need to do during the month. And then on the following page, I added a quarantine schedule. So basically I drew a little sun, and that would be the time that I wake up. Then I drew a small cat, and that's the time that my cat eats breakfast. Then the tea mug or the teacup would be the time that I drink tea, because everyone at home drinks tea in the morning, in the middle of the day, and at night. And underneath everything I wrote quarantine schedule just to label the page itself and make it more pretty and more filled. And during the 3 months that we were stuck in quarantine, everything was closed. So basically the movie theaters were closed. Now they just opened up, and I think every single movie is like $5, and then whatever they sell at the concession stands, I think they're also like super cheap since they want to attract people to come in. And restaurants also closed down. Basically the only things that were open were like supermarkets and gas stations. And even the park, which is right next to our home or to my house, it was closed. So they had like those yellow caution tapes to prevent people from going there. So honestly, our only distraction was going to the supermarket to get some food or going to the gas station to get some snacks. But other than that, that was the only 2 things that were open, as well as pharmacies and corner stores, but nothing that was super fun to go to and distract yourself. But now to continue with our bullet journal, on the next page, this is like the weekly spread. So on every single page I used the same design to keep it simple and to basically fit 1 week on a single page. So for example, right here I just added like the pink circles or the ovals, and then I just labeled each one with a day. So like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and all the way to Saturday. And then on the top of the page I just added week 1, and then I'll do the same thing for week 2, week 3, and week 4. And then just to add a little bit of color and to decorate the weekly spread, I just added some lemon leaves and some lemon as well as some pink dots to fill in the page completely, or not completely, but like to decorate it a little bit more and to make it look more popping and more fun. And well, this is basically how our bullet journal came out. So for the month of June, and although it's June and we're not in June anymore, I think you can still use all these designs and decorations for other projects or for further bullet journals that you'll want to create.
Alrighty guys, and this was it for today's ideas or video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos. Bye guys!